Warning, by the end of this video, you're going to see a lot of tumor footage. Viewer discretion is advised. So one of our fans tweeted us this picture and asked if we could find out the story behind this individual. So I did a reverse image search and I found out that Google recommended that this was Zhao Yang's tumor. The results also included a lot of information about Yao Ming, the NBA basketball legend. But I'm pretty sure that's not the same guy. So what I did find out is that this individual is from the Shanxi province of China. He has a 22-pound tumor growing on his back that started the size of an egg 10 years ago. The growth developed when he was a teenager, and his dad decided not to operate because he had recently lost his wife to cancer and didn't want another operation. By the time these photos were taken, Yang was unable to work and almost bedridden from this massive tumor. Ultimately, the family decided to have the surgery, which cost almost $30,000, most of which was borrowed by the father. Although this may look like a giant cyst, it's actually a fibroma. Let's look at the definition of a fibroma. Here's some footage of doctors removing a very similar looking, gigantic tumor. Alright, so you've seen the before photos. Are you ready for the after surgery photos? Let's take a look right now. Alright, so here are the after photos. Certainly not a perfect situation, but better than what was occurring before. Alright, please click like if you enjoyed the story. Click dislike if you didn't. I don't mind a dislike. I'd rather have that than nothing. I pour through medical books trying to find interesting stories for you, so click like if you like them and dislike if you don't. If you see this on any channel other than All Star Medical, that means it's stolen, so give them a lot of hate. Thanks for watching, take care, and goodbye.
Hello everyone, Dr. Carlo Ogier. Anyone who knows me would know that I wouldn't say this, but I didn't think it was true. On nights that I'm working early the next day, if I'm going to bed and have a lot of things in my mind starts to wander, and the pressure of falling asleep makes me actually be unable to fall and remain asleep. So the other night I was tossing and turning in bed. I've been like an hour, I've not fallen asleep, and then I went ahead and took the Restmore, 2 tablets. I took them and I said, okay, here goes nothing, and I lay down in bed, and I don't know how long it took, but it didn't take long at all. I didn't toss and turn, I just fell asleep. I thought, well, maybe I psyched myself up, maybe it was just something else. And the other night, it happened again. Tossing and turning, I need to get up early to do something. Oh my goodness, I'm not falling. I took 2 tablets of the Restmore, and again, within 10, 15 minutes, I was asleep again.